Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys another hair video. I just made the infamous Cardi B hair mask, and before y'all just start dragging me, I know Cardi B did not invent this hair mask, but she did make it popular or whatever, and everybody's been trying it out, so I just thought I'd try it out on my 4C low porosity bleached hair. So if you guys want to see what happens with this mask, y'all want to find out how to make it, then please keep on watching. But before all of that happens, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and then go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Those are _it's Gilly, and then my TikTok is it's Gilly. So let's jump into today's video. So first and foremost, I did go ahead and make the mask, and I'll just have like a little pop-up somewhere on the screen for y'all. So this mask has, the one I made, has 1 avocado in it. It has 1 egg. It has 1 banana. It has a little bit of honey. I put in some avocado oil, and then I put in a lot of black castor oil and argan oil and mayonnaise. That's what Cardi said she put in hers. In her video, she kept saying that she used like olive oil, but the bottle was clearly avocado oil, which is why I used avocado oil. And this is what she looks like here. Because there's avocados in here, this is already starting to brown, but I think I kind of made a lot because y'all know like my hair is short right now, so I think I might have made a lot. But let's just go ahead, put this on our hair. I did just wash my hair because I had like some gel and stuff in it, so I wanted to start off you know, with a fresh little vibe. So this is what my hair is looking like. It's still a little bit wet. Want to keep some water in there, some moisture. But here's a close-up for y'all. As I said, my hair is 4C low porosity and bleached, so I'm excited to see what this hair mask has in store for us. I've actually never tried like a natural hair mask with like just making it yourself type of thing, so again, super excited. I'm just gonna literally go ahead and jump into this. No point in waiting for the inevitable. I'm just gonna put it all up in there, y'all. This is very creamy because I did blend mine out, so I'm just like gonna put it all up in here. It smells good because of the banana. Like I literally can smell that banana in there so bad. But I like the smell of banana. If you don't like the smell of banana, I don't know how you're gonna handle this.
Say goodbye yet. Can I change your mind? 'Cause I don't think we're finished.
Okay, so my hair is completely saturated with that hair mask, and so I'm just gonna go about my business for the next like 20-30 minutes. I am gonna put on a hair cap just to keep all of the juicy goodness in here, and then I will wash my hair or rinse this out and then show you guys what's going on, how my hair feels like, so keep watching. So I just rinsed out the hair mask from my hair, and I'm just like trying to dry it up They're like not dried up completely, but just soak up some of the water with my little hair towel. And so this is kind of what my hair is looking like. I cannot say that I have noticed a dramatic difference in my hair, and I kind of think my hair felt a little softer before I did this mask. Like I don't know what just happened. I do feel like my curls are like looking decent. I don't know, but I'm feeling a little bleh about this hair mask. I don't know, maybe it just doesn't work for my hair type. Unsure about what is actually going on, but needless to say, these are my results. I did have this thing in for like 30 minutes, rinsed it out with cold water though, because guys, do not put hot water in your hair if you're wearing this, because it has it has eggs in it, and eggs will cook if you like rinse it out with like warm or hot water. But yeah, I'm just kind of like not that impressed. I see where the mask could be good, and maybe like I have to try it out again, or I don't know. Sometimes my hair just does weird things, but I just think it was like okay. I just don't see a dramatic difference between doing like one of these make your own masks versus one that you buy from the store. But yeah, those were my results, guys. Super sorry this was a little anticlimactic, a little sad for all of us involved, including me, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this little hair video that I brought y'all. I am getting my hair braided tomorrow, so I'm super excited to give my hair a bit of a break from me messing around with it so much. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that, as well as follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok _it's Gillyy, and I'll see you guys in my next video.